If you want a pearly white smile just like this, stay tuned for my homemade toothpaste. You'll thank me later. Seriously. What's up, YouTube? My name is Lyntoya. I'm the creator of Douse Beauty, and you guys are now tuned into Douse Beauty TV. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your gloves on for sanitation purposes, no matter if it's just for you or if you're making it for someone else. And these are the products that you are definitely going to need. So let's get into it. So you're going to need coconut oil, refined coconut oil. You're going to need your baking soda. It doesn't matter what kind of baking soda that you have, you just need some, okay? And you're going to get your essential oils. And you need popsicle sticks instead of a metal utensil. Do not use a metal utensil. Trust me. Make sure it's wood or plastic or something like that. Then you want a container to put your toothpaste in. Alright, so I've already put my coconut oil in there. And what you want to do is, the ratio is, you want more coconut oil to your baking soda. So you want way more coconut oil than baking soda in whatever size container that you're using, okay? And what you see me doing here is I'm using peppermint oil, essential oil, and lemon essential oils. I recommend using 5 drops of peppermint oil depending on how big your container is, and the lemon essential oil is optional. That's just something that I like. But peppermint oil is great. It's antifungal, antibacterial. It does all of that. Baking soda whitens your teeth, cleans your teeth as well. Even though baking soda can be abrasive, it's still really, really good, especially if you can't get to the store. Let's say, God forbid, the store's closed down. You know what I'm saying? If you have all these things in your home, you can actually still clean your teeth and make your own stuff at home. And that's one of the things that I absolutely love about this project here. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and just mix, okay? Once you've done all the mixing, I'm going to tell you the steps later. And again, you do not, it doesn't matter what kind of baking soda that you use, just as long as it's baking soda. I just prefer to use Bob's baking soda. Okay, and now you're just going to see me mix. And I actually kind of messed up my recipe right here because I added way too much baking soda. But as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and fix that in the next clip. So stay tuned. See, told you guys, all I did was added a little bit more refined coconut oil. Now, what you're going to see me do here is I'm going to pop this sucker into the refrigerator, not freezer, refrigerator, for about 20 to 30 minutes. That's optional for you guys. I just needed to get to the right consistency that I like, okay? You can use it straight just like this if you like, and this will last you for a very long time. Voila, you have toothpaste. Now the only thing that's left for me to do is to remix it, because it's kind of a hardened kind of consistency. I want it to be in the middle of between thick and creamy, okay? And that's my kind of consistency. It works perfect for me and my family. And this toothpaste will last you for a very, very long time. I want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. Now go ahead and brush your teeth. Trust me, your tongue, your teeth, your mouth will thank me. You are welcome. All right, y'all. I want to say thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys are not subscribed subscribe to me already, especially if you love to see content like this where I teach you guys how to do and make certain things at home. That would be awesome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Don't forget to share and turn your post notifications on. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video on how to make your own toothpaste. I'm extremely excited. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram at Douse Beauty. And if you guys want to purchase any of my products, just go to dousebeauty.com. Don't forget to DM me. Peace.